For your information is found in the center pole of your souvenir program. The top point getter in the truck number 24, Ron Linden, and 42, John Holliday, are very close. 44 points separate the two top drivers in the truck division in the 10-lap qualifier just coming up. So away we go! We're off and running down the right straightaway. Ron Linden over John Holliday inside. Bruce DeVoe is 3. Matt Conley is 4, and here they come. Single fishing completed, 1 lap. Ron Linden, your race leader in truck number 24. John Holliday is right with him in truck 42. Bruce DeVoe is 3. Matt Conley is 4. Craig Carter is 5. This is a 10-lap qualifier truck division. With 3 laps completed, Ron Linden is your race leader. John Holliday is 2 on the outside. Matt Knobler is 3. Bruce DeVoe is 4. Craig Carter is 5. Roy Dixon is 6. Halfway line in this race with 5 laps completed. That's Eddie Robinson and Ron Linden on the inside. Matt is 3. Bruce DeVoe is 4. Craig Carter is 5. Roy Dixon is 6. Laps completed. John Holliday is on the top. Ron Linden 2. Matt Knobler 3. Bruce DeVoe 4. Craig Carter 5. Roy Dixon is 6. John Holliday in truck number 42 is your race leader. Inside the flagstand, the white flag is the last lap of this truck qualifier, and at this point we're led by John Holliday. Ron Linden is 2, Matt Conley is 3. Bruce DeVoe is 4, Roy Dixon is 6. But truck number 42 is John Holliday. Here he comes through turns 3 and 4 down the straightaway. He'll pick up the center flag, your race winner, John Holliday. Ron Linden for 2. Matt Knobler for 3. Bruce DeVoe is 4. Craig Carter 5. And Roy Dixon is 6.
There's Gazoo. What? Gazoo. Oh, no.
6. You needed that, eh?
What?
You needed the trailer to haul.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, truck number 42, John Holliday, your unofficial race winner.